Hey kids, let's meet 50 vehicles on land, in the sky, on the water. Let's start with the kids' favorite ones. This is a fire truck. It puts out fires. This is a police car. It helps keep us safe. This is an ambulance. It helps sick people. This is a monster truck. It has big wheels. This is a helicopter. Its blades spin around. This is an excavator. It digs big holes. This is an aeroplane. It flies in the sky. This is a train. It runs on tracks. This is a rocket. It blasts into space.
3, 2, 1. And ignition and liftoff of Ares 1S. Testing concepts for the future of new rocket design.
Land vehicles. This is a police bike. It moves fast in traffic. This is a race car. It goes super fast. This is a crane. It lifts heavy things. This is a garbage truck. It collects trash. This is a tractor. It works on farms. This is a tow truck. It pulls broken cars. This is a bus. It carries many people. This is a forklift. It lifts big boxes. This is a bulldozer. It pushes heavy dirt. This is a dump truck. It carries heavy dirt. This is a cement mixer. It mixes cement. This is a road roller. It makes roads flat. This is a taxi. It takes people where they want to go. This is a postal van. It delivers letters and packages. This is a school bus. It takes children to school. This is a bicycle. It has two wheels. Air vehicles. This is a fighter jet, a very fast fighter jet. This is a hot air balloon, a colorful balloon floating with the wind. This is a rescue helicopter. It helps people. This is a space shuttle.
T-5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition.
It flies high into space. This is a drone. It takes photos from above. This is a seaplane. This plane can land on water. This is a blimp. It floats quietly in the sky. This is a paraglider. It floats high in the sky. This is a hang glider, flying gently with the wind like a bird. This is a jet plane. It flies super fast through the clouds. This is a stunt plane. It performs amazing tricks in the sky. This is a gyrocopter. It looks like a tiny helicopter flying in the sky. Water vehicles. This is a cruise ship, a big ship like a floating hotel. This is a speedboat. It splashes fast across the water. This is a pirate ship. It sails the big sea to find hidden gold. This is a submarine. It goes under the water to explore the deep sea. This is a jet ski. It moves fast on the water and splashes waves. This is a ferry. Ferry carries cars and people from one side to the other. Coast Guard boat. The Coast Guard boat stays on water to keep everyone safe. This is a sailboat. The sailboat uses wind to move across the water. Fishing boat. The fishing boat goes out to sea to catch fresh fish. Tugboat. The tugboat is a small, strong boat that pulls big ships. This is a yacht. The yacht is a fancy boat for a fun day on the water. This is a hovercraft. The hovercraft glides on a cushion of air over water and land. This is a cargo ship. The cargo ship carries heavy boxes on the sea. Watch more of our videos. Let's learn and have fun together. New videos every week. Subscribe and join us.